We've opened up the floor and we're getting ready to start pouring the concrete around the perimeter. I'm walking through the entranceway heading back toward one of the pumps in the rear. It's important to note the weep holes down at the base of the block. That allows for water not to build up in the block and be directed into the trench, so that the water will go to the sump basin and be discharged. As you can also see, we've removed the framing, the paneling, the trim out of the way so that we could get to the foundation wall and below the level of the slab. As I walk toward the rear of the house, you can see where we had opened up through the foundation to put a drain in a window well that was backing up. We want to direct that into the system as well down below to make sure that any point of entry will be addressed. On this side, you can see we've already put the miradrain in up against the wall and the 6 mil polyethylene sheeting to prevent any moisture from coming back up through the concrete once we pour. This is another window well drain that we installed that goes to the system and will be discharged away. We're waiting for the inspector to show up to give us permission to close up the trench and pour our concrete. Another video will be coming with the concrete poured at completion.